Building a self-powered home isn't just a dream, it's a reality. Join us as we take you through the step-by-step process of harnessing the power of the sun, wind, and water to create a truly sustainable living space. Across the world, more people are making the conscious decision to break free from the limitations and costs of traditional energy grids. Self-powered homes are no longer confined to the imaginations of visionaries or the pages of science fiction. They are becoming tangible, practical realities for people who crave autonomy, sustainability, and cost efficiency. The allure of energy independence has grown immensely in recent years. Rising electricity costs, aging infrastructure, and growing environmental concerns are motivating this shift. Sustainable living is not just a trend. It's becoming a necessity. By generating your own power, you reduce your dependence on fossil fuels and harmful emissions. Your carbon footprint diminishes drastically when you take control of your energy consumption. Every kilowatt-hour produced on your own land means less reliance on polluting power plants. Off-grid living doesn't just help the planet. It saves you money in the long run. Monthly utility bills can be eliminated or significantly reduced. Surplus energy generated by your systems can even be sold back to the grid in many regions. This means your home could eventually pay for its own energy systems. But before you build your energy-efficient paradise, you need to choose the right renewable energy sources. Solar power remains the most popular and accessible option for self-powered homes. Photovoltaic panels can be installed on roofs, open land, or as part of solar farms. They convert sunlight directly into electricity using semiconductor materials. However, solar isn't your only option. Wind power offers a strong complement or alternative to solar. Small-scale wind turbines can produce electricity efficiently in breezy areas. They are especially useful when sunlight is limited. During certain seasons, if you live near flowing water, micro-hydro systems can generate consistent, low-maintenance energy. These systems harness the kinetic power of moving water and convert it into electricity. Geothermal systems tap into the Earth's internal heat for temperature control and energy production. Though more costly to install, geothermal is remarkably efficient and low maintenance. Biomass energy uses organic materials such as wood, crop waste, and even garbage to produce power. This method is particularly appealing in agricultural areas or regions with abundant organic waste. Each source has its strengths and weaknesses depending on location, cost, and energy needs. Choosing the right mix depends on your property, climate, and daily consumption. Solar is great for areas with long, sunny days. Wind is ideal for open landscapes and high-altitude zones. Hydro works best near reliable streams or rivers. Biomass and geothermal require more planning and investment but can pay off over time. Once you've selected your sources, it's time to design your self-powered energy system. The heart of most systems is the solar array. These panels are connected to an inverter, which converts direct current, DC, from the panels into alternating current, AC, used by household appliances. A battery bank stores excess electricity for use at night or during cloudy days. You may also need a charge controller to regulate the power going into your batteries. For windy areas, wind turbines can be mounted on towers or poles. These turbines also need an inverter and often use separate charge controllers. Hydro systems require a turbine, pipeline, and generator setup that efficiently utilizes flowing water. Regardless of the source, energy systems must be sized appropriately. Underestimating your power needs can lead to shortages and frustration. Overestimating leads to unnecessary costs. Avoid either extreme. Start by analyzing your daily and monthly energy usage. Consider everything from lighting and appliances to heating, cooling, and electronics. Software and energy audit tools can help calculate your load requirements. Match your system size to your load while factoring in seasonal variations in sunlight and weather. Climate plays a big role in system performance. Homes in snowy or cloudy regions might need more panels or alternative sources like wind or hydro. Don't forget about passive solar design. By orienting your house to maximize natural light and heat, you reduce your reliance on active energy systems. Thicker insulation, energy-efficient windows, and smart building materials can also reduce consumption. Integrating your system into your home structure requires knowledge of building codes and best practices. Working with an experienced contractor or renewable energy specialist is highly recommended. Professional design ensures safety, efficiency, and compliance with local regulations. You'll also need permits for installation in many areas. These steps protect you and ensure the long-term performance of your system. Now comes the hands-on part, implementing your renewable energy system. Solar panel installation involves mounting the panels securely, connecting wiring, and integrating with the inverter and battery bank. Ensure panels are angled for optimal sunlight exposure throughout the year. Wind turbines require careful placement away from obstructions and turbulence. They must be firmly anchored and positioned at the correct height. Hydro systems must be installed in flowing water, with attention to seasonal changes and debris. Wiring and electrical connections must be safely and professionally handled. Using licensed electricians reduces risks of fires or system failure. System grounding and surge protection are critical safety features. Once installed, energy efficiency becomes the next goal. Use energy-efficient appliances with high Energy Star ratings. LED lighting, low-power electronics, and induction cooktops can drastically reduce usage. Smart home systems can optimize when appliances operate, reducing peak load demand. Passive solar techniques include large south-facing windows and thermal mass materials that store heat in hot climates. Reflective roofing and shade elements help keep homes cool without excessive AC use. Monitor your system's performance using dedicated monitoring software. Tracking helps identify inefficiencies, faults, and opportunities for improvement. Routine maintenance includes cleaning solar panels, inspecting turbines, checking battery health, and maintaining water flow for hydro. Replace worn components before they fail to ensure reliability. System longevity depends on care and regular inspections. Batteries, for example, have limited lifespans and should be replaced proactively. Generators can provide backup power in emergencies. Use them sparingly and maintain them regularly to avoid system gaps. Living off-grid isn't just about technology, it's about a lifestyle change. It means being more conscious about your energy habits and consumption patterns. You learn to value every watt of power generated. You become more connected with your home and your environment. There is pride in knowing your lights, heat, and refrigerator run on power you created. Communities of off-grid homeowners often form support networks to share tips, supplies, and inspiration. Challenges do arise, including initial costs, system breakdowns, and lifestyle adjustments. But the benefits far outweigh the hurdles. There is unmatched satisfaction in achieving energy independence, and there is peace of mind in knowing you are reducing your environmental impact. Self-powered homes offer a glimpse into the future of sustainable living. They empower individuals and communities to reclaim control over their energy. Whether you live in a remote cabin or a suburban home, steps toward energy independence are within reach. IT starts with a vision, continues with education, and culminates in action. Building your own self-powered home becomes more rewarding when you explore the advanced techniques that elevate efficiency and comfort to new heights. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make is the integration of smart home energy management systems. These systems monitor energy production and usage in real time and help distribute power where it's needed most. They can automate decisions like when to run appliances or charge batteries based on energy availability. Artificial intelligence is playing a growing role in forecasting energy patterns and optimizing consumption. Weather prediction algorithms can adjust energy settings based on incoming sun, wind, or rain. Incorporating IoT, Internet of Things, sensors adds another layer of intelligence to your home. Sensors can detect occupancy, ambient temperature, and light levels to make your house more responsive and efficient. Advanced battery technologies such as lithium iron phosphate, LiFePO4, offer longer life cycles and greater safety. Modular battery systems also allow homeowners to scale their energy storage as their needs evolve. For those serious about backup power, hybrid systems combining solar with wind or hydro provide redundancy and resilience. This means one energy source can compensate when another is underperforming. When planning your build, understanding the cost of each component is essential. Solar panels typically cost between 80 cents to $1.50 per watt depending on quality and manufacturer. A 5 kilowatt system can cost between $4,000 and $10,000 before tax credits and incentives. Inverters range from $1,000 to $2,500 depending on their type and capacity. Battery banks can cost cost anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 depending on chemistry and storage capacity. Wind turbines start at around $1,500 for small residential units and can go well over $10,000. Micro-hydro systems vary significantly, but can cost between $2,000 and $15,000 based on flow rate and installation complexity. Geothermal systems are among the most expensive, often exceeding $20,000 but offering low operating costs over time. Biomass systems are cheaper but require fuel sourcing, handling, and storage. Don't forget the costs of mounting equipment, electrical wiring, monitoring software, and professional labor. Many countries and regions offer tax credits, rebates, and feed-in tariffs that reduce overall project costs. Net metering policies let you sell excess energy back to the grid, earning credits or income. Over time, most self-powered systems offer a return on investment within 5 to 10 years. Real-world examples help illustrate how diverse these homes can be. In California, a family built a 3,000 square foot home powered entirely by rooftop solar and a Tesla Powerwall battery system. They incorporated passive solar design, solar water heating, and a gray water recycling system. In Kenya, a rural homestead uses solar and small-scale wind combined with rainwater harvesting and biogas cooking. This has allowed the household to function completely off-grid with zero reliance on public utilities. In Germany, a multifamily apartment complex runs on solar and geothermal with a central battery bank and EV charging stations. This complex not only powers itself but contributes energy back to the community grid. Each example reflects a unique blend of energy sources, technologies, and personal priorities. Off-grid living also brings its set of lifestyle adjustments and daily routines. Conscious energy usage becomes second nature over time. Many homeowners adopt a seasonal mindset, adjusting their energy habits. With the time of year, winter may require more careful planning and energy conservation than summer. Learning to read weather patterns becomes as important as checking your energy meter. Education plays a key role in transitioning to this lifestyle. Online communities, courses, and forums offer a wealth of information and peer support. Documenting your energy journey through blogs or video channels can help others learn and stay motivated. Even urban dwellers can participate in the self-powered revolution. Rooftop solar, balcony wind turbines, and portable battery systems make it possible to partially power city homes. Shared solar farms and energy cooperatives provide access to renewable power without owning property. Policy innovations are making it easier for tenants and condo owners to benefit from clean energy. The future of self-powered living is rich with potential. Wireless energy transmission technologies are being developed to move power without cables, RF, and microwave. Transmission could enable homes to receive energy from distant sources or satellites. Advanced solar materials, such as perovskite cells, promise greater efficiency and lower costs. Building integrated photovoltaics, BIPV, will turn walls, windows, and roofs into energy generators. AI-powered microgrids will allow entire neighborhoods to balance power between homes automatically. Energy blockchain systems may let users trade power like a currency. Imagine selling your extra afternoon solar power to a neighbor who needs it more in the evening. These developments will redefine how we interact with energy at both personal and societal levels. Educational institutions are beginning to teach sustainable energy design as a core subject. Architecture, engineering, and design are converging into a new discipline of resilient, sustainable building. As global energy challenges grow, individual empowerment will play a vital role in shaping resilient communities. Governments and cities are also adapting, incentivizing green buildings and low-impact designs. Climate change, economic instability, and energy scarcity make these changes more urgent. Your decision to build a self-powered home is not just about saving money. It's a statement of values. It reflects your commitment to sustainability, independence, and resilience. It shows that one person or family can make a real difference. By taking control of your energy, you take control of your future. You model what is possible for others in your neighborhood or around the world. Energy freedom empowers not just individuals but entire societies. It fosters creativity, local problem solving, and innovation. Children raised in such homes grow up with a deep respect for natural resources. They learn to think critically about their environment and community. The journey of building a self-powered home is both technical and deeply personal. IT is a story of change, growth, and new possibilities. Whether you start small or go fully off-grid from day one, every step counts. You are joining a growing movement of people who believe in a better, cleaner, more just world.